Hey, what's up everybody? This is Matt from Backyard Lawn and Garden. Today is watering day for our plants. So I'm gonna give you a quick tip on how you should water your plants. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I have this extra tray so that I can swap them out back and forth. Well, very simply, I'm gonna remove a couple of these trays here so that I can see. Then I'm gonna fill this up about a quarter of the way with water. It's only been a couple minutes, but you can already see the soil coming up to the top. Right here, I know it's a little hard to see, but that's nice and dark and damp. You have over here, it's like that. It's already starting to soak in all over. Now, if you would prefer to water from the top, then you just want to make sure that you don't get anything on the actual seedlings and just try to get it right in the soil. If you do water from the top, then it's a good opportunity to add some more cinnamon just to help prevent mold, fungus, gnats, and the dampening off. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, in the video that I posted last week, I showed how I added cinnamon to the top of my seed trays after I planted the seeds, so you can always go back and watch that video. What I'm using here is 2 different trays so that once I have these watered, I can take them out and put them in another tray. It just makes it easier to empty this tray with water. So all I'm going to do is transplant away. I'm just going to shake some of the water out. These are nice and heavy now. When you do take them out, just if you don't have them all labeled, just try to remember where you had them. If you're a type of person that just remembers where you put things, so you have photographic memory. Oh yeah, this is nice and wet. That's all there is to it. We just water from the bottom and help let the top dry out, and then we just swap everything around so that we can empty the old tray. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.